A charming home on 20 acres sits on a secluded hillside with large trees and fabulous ocean views in southern Mendocino County, just 3 hours north of San Francisco. A newly added 1,000 square foot addition has been put on an existing smaller home. There's a quaint water tower building on the grounds. Entering the home, one is greeted by the warm wood walls, lovingly handcrafted. Their large open areas with an abundance of skylights and windows, bathing the interior with sunlight. The master bedroom has windows on 3 walls, all with fabulous ocean views and sliders to the deck. The master bath has a multi-headed tile shower, a separate tub, slider to the deck, and a walk-in closet. The older house has a family room, loft, and a kitchen presently being remodeled. From the backyard, one can see large rock outcroppings and views to the ocean. Sunny view decks surround the home, and there is access from most every room in the house. There is a large storage area beneath the house. The workshop or studio has wonderful light from a unique window. This opportunity awaits. Come and visit today.